Conditional formatting is the fastest way to make your data tell a visual story. Instead of scanning rows and columns of numbers, you can make Excel highlight what matters. Overdue dates in red, top performers in green, trends with color gradients. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 practical examples that cover everything from basic highlights to advanced formula-driven rules. Let's start with the basics. Highlight cells rules let you format cells based on their value: greater than, less than, between, equal to, or containing specific text. Select your range, go to Home, Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cells Rules, and pick your condition. For example, highlight all cells above 10,000 in green, or flag all cells containing the word overdue in red. These two rules alone cover most everyday formatting needs. I have a sales report with monthly revenue figures. I select the revenue column, click Conditional Formatting, greater than, and type 10,000. I pick the green fill style and click OK. Instantly, every cell above 10,000 lights up in green. Now I'll add a second rule for values below 5,000 using the less than option with a red fill. My spreadsheet now shows winners and losers at a glance. Top and bottom rules highlight your highest or lowest values automatically. You can highlight the top 10 items, the bottom 5%, or values above or below the average. Data bars add a horizontal bar inside each cell proportional to its value, like a mini bar chart built into the cell. Both are perfect for performance dashboards where you want to spot outliers instantly without creating a separate chart. I'll apply data bars to my revenue column. Select the range, Conditional Formatting, Data Bars, and I pick the solid blue style. Every cell now has a blue bar whose length represents the value. The highest value has the longest bar, the lowest has the shortest. I can immediately see the distribution without reading a single number. Now I'll add a top-bottom rule to highlight the top 3 values with a gold border on top of the data bars. Color scales create a gradient across your range: green for high, yellow for medium, red for low, or any color combination you choose. Icon sets add small icons like arrows, traffic lights, or star ratings next to each value. These are excellent for heat maps and scorecards. A project status table with green, yellow, red traffic lights communicates more in 1 second than a paragraph of text ever could. This is where conditional formatting gets truly powerful. Instead of simple value comparisons, you can write any formula that returns true or false. Want to highlight an entire row when the status column says complete? Use a formula rule with a $sign on the column reference. Want to flag rows where the deadline is in the past? Use the today function in your formula. Formula-based rules can reference other columns, other sheets, and even use complex logic with and or. Here's a task tracker with columns for task, assignee, deadline, and status. I want to highlight the entire row in light red when the deadline has passed and the status is not complete. I select the full data range, click New Rule, choose Use a Formula, and type equals and $D2 less than today, $E2 not equal to complete. I set the format to a red fill and click OK. Every overdue, incomplete task is now highlighted across all columns. Example 9. Highlight duplicates. Select your column, Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cells Rules, Duplicate Values. Every repeated entry lights up instantly. Great for data cleaning. Example 10. Combine multiple conditional formatting rules on the same range to create a dynamic dashboard effect. Layer data bars with icon sets and color rules to build a visually rich report that updates automatically. Just remember to manage the rule priority using the Rules Manager so they don't conflict. Research on data comprehension shows that visual formatting helps you identify outliers and patterns roughly 10 times faster than scanning raw numbers. Your brain processes color and shape much faster than digits. Conditional formatting isn't just about making things look pretty. It fundamentally changes how quickly you can understand and act on your data. Those are 10 conditional formatting examples that will transform how your spreadsheets look and communicate. The template with all 10 examples is linked in the description. Subscribe for more Excel tutorials every week. I focus on the practical skills that actually save you time at work.